Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Best IT Solution, and today we will discuss what is Maven and how it will help our project. Okay, so what is Maven? So Maven is a build automation tools used primarily for Java projects. So Maven is a build automation tool. So it is a build tool which is used for mainly Java project development. Maven addresses two aspects of building software. So it addresses two aspects of building software. The first one is it describes how software is built, and second one is it describes its dependencies. So first one is it describes how software is built, how a particular project will build, and second one is it describes its dependencies, how the dependency will be on the library, that is jars what we need during the project development, that will how resolved, that will also um, resolved by the Maven. Okay, so Maven is a powerful project management tool that is based on POM. So Maven is a powerful project management tool. It is a project management tool that is managing our project, that is creating the structure of our project. We are creating the bare bone of the project with the help of Maven. So the that is based on POM. POM means that is project object model. This is a POM, it's a XML file is present in Maven project. So this is help or resolve all the dependencies we will mention in that POM file. It is used for project build, dependency and its documentation. Okay, and advantage of Maven. So what are the advantages of Maven? Maven, it makes the project easy to build. The first thing is it makes the project easy to build. Second one is it provides uniform build process. Maven project can be shared by all the other Maven projects also. So it provides a uniform build process, and Maven projects can be shared by all the other Maven projects also. Another thing is that it provides a project information. It provides project information. Project information is like log, document, cross reference sources, and mailing list, dependency list, unit test reports, etc. So these things like log, document, cross reference resources, cross reference resources, sources, mailing list, dependency list, unit test reports, etc. So all these are resolved by the Maven. Okay, and it is a easy to migrate for new features of Maven. So also it is very easy to migrate the new features of Maven. Okay, so Maven not only the help to provide the jar file or library to the to our project, it also helps like the version. It also maintaining the version, because if we will adding the dependency by ourselves without taking the help of Maven, so every time we need to, after some days we need to update the dependency also, that is the version. If the current version, if a particular dependency current version is 4.5, so time to time it will deprecate a new version to release 5.6.7. So it is the very heavy task, or it is a burden to change the version of the depend jar file time to time. So it is that if we creating this project with the help of Maven build tool, then it is the responsibility of Maven to create the project, also create the project structure, also add the dependencies, and also the resolve the version of the dependency. Resolve the version of the different jar files or library. It automatically resolves. Okay, so the most important file of Maven is pom.xml. So pom.xml is the most important file, because all these things, whatever we want to communicate with the Maven, we are mentioning in this file, pom.xml file, this project object model file. Okay. Okay, so let's do one practical of Maven. We'll create a project and we'll see how this Maven will help. Okay, so let's go to the let's go for practical. And one thing, please like and share the video with your friends and subscribe the channel also. Okay, so just I'm opening my browser and I'm going to create a project with the help of Maven. So I am going to create a Spring Boot project with the help of Maven. So Spring start.spring.io. This is the website where from where we can create the project and we can download the project to our STS or Eclipse any ID. Okay, so here you can see the project we can create with the help of Gradle. So like Maven, Gradle also is a build tool. So generally mostly Java projects are created with the help of Maven. Other projects like mobile applications and other projects also we can create with the help of Gradle. Java project also we can create with the help of Gradle. So Gradle compatible with the Groovy language basically. So Gradle Groovy. And also Gradle Kotlin is also there, so you can also create the project Gradle and language Kotlin. So I am here going to create the project with the help of Maven, and the language is Java, and the Java version is the Spring Boot version is like 2.7.13. Okay, the group ID suppose com.tarun and artifact ID. Artifact that means the project name. Is the group is the package and artifact ID is the project name. Suppose project name is the Maven demo project. Okay, so package name Maven demo project is the base package. So packaging a jar, or you can also create the project as var also. So here I am going to create a jar, and Java version is 11, 17, 8. There are different versions are there. So I am going to create the Java version 11. So and dependency here need to mention the dependencies. Okay, so add dependencies, and what dependency we need in our project, we can mention the dependency or that library here. Spring Wave. So there are thousands or lakhs of dependencies available in the Maven. Okay, so what are dependencies? Suppose is security, JPA, actuator, DevTools, any dependency, Lombok, whatever you need, you can type here and you can add the dependency to your project. So for the time being now, I am adding only the Spring Web dependency because I need only I am just creating a demo project to demonstrate the Maven project. Okay, so just click on generate. Okay, so it is created a project zip file in our downloads folder. So Maven demo project, just unzip it. We need to extract all Maven demo project, extract here. Okay, so we got the project. Now we need to open that project in STS. So in file, import. You can use any ID. I am using here the STS Spring Tool Suite because it is best for Spring Boot project, and it is also very comfortable to me. Also, you can use IntelliJ or any other project ID also for this project. Okay. Click on make the Maven and existing Maven project. Next, I am importing the project which I created through spring.start.io. Browse and download Maven project demo. This one. Finish. So now you can see here importing Maven project. So it will import our project, also download the required dependency, its version, and it will build our project from the Maven website. Okay, building workspace. Okay, done. So now we got the project Maven demo project, and it is a Spring Boot project, and hence here you can see it is mentioning as boot. That means it is Spring Boot project. Okay. So this is the structure of Maven project. Here you can see SRC main Java, and this is our base package which we have given during the creation of com.tarun.maven demo project, and this is a folder structure for our static resources like suppose if any image or any JavaScript file or any bootstrap loader or any static things which we need in our project, that things you can mention here static folder. And template, that is if you want to create a simple HTML file for a view or family file, so that's family file or any HTML file, all files are inside this template folder. And application.property, so this is the main file which we can call as a configuration file for the project. So application properties, or you can use the application.yml, you can also create here. So we are all required configurations we are mentioning in this application.properties file. Okay, so like if you want to mention the server port, in which port you want to run your application, so you can mention like server dot, it is fetching okay, server dot port. Okay, server dot, if any port address you can mention here, that in this port only your application will run. Okay, so all required database configuration, if you want to connect with your MySQL database or PostgreSQL database, so you need to write the data source properties in this application properties file. So this is the main file in our project for configuration. And this is the test, if whatever test cases we want to write for a project, all these test cases are should be in this package, in this folder com.tarun.demo. already there are test files already there is present. Okay, so this is the test file, a test class, so we can write our own test cases also in this class, or we can create different class for it. And this is our main class. From here our project will starts. So Spring Boot application, so this is the annotations, of three annotations like Spring Boot component scan, Spring Boot auto configuration, enable auto configuration. Okay, so this is the Spring application that runs. So from this our application will start or run. So this is the main class or main method. Okay, so and this is, so in this the and Maven dependencies, whatever dependencies we have added, all the dependencies will present here. You can share the Maven dependency, Spring Boot, starter, web. So this will this dependency we will add it. Another is Spring Boot starter 2.7 charts. So all the dependencies you can select for the Jackson and Jakarta assert for testing Spring JCL test for. Okay, so these are the default dependencies given by the Maven. Also you can add more dependencies by giving the by mentioning a pom.xml file. Okay, we have only writing the spring.starter.web dependency added on the web dependency. For that reason these are coming. Okay, so another thing is dependency, Maven dependency. Okay, library Java version 11, and this is the system library. You can see here what are the library which is automatically added to our project. And this is the main file, pom.xml file, which is communicating with the Maven every time. Okay, so you can see this is the parent. Okay, parent version we have added, like during the creation of project we have mentioned version is 2.7.13, so it has added the version. And Java version is 11, you can see here. Okay, so this need to be compatible, this Spring Boot version and Java version. Okay, and dependencies you can see here dependency Spring Boot starter web, which we have added. Okay, and this dependency by default given by the Spring, we have not added it, automatically it has come. This is the plugin. So, and again, suppose you want to use Lombok, so you can add the Lombok plugin also here and Lombok dependency here. So any number of dependencies you need in your project, so you can add in this section, this dependency, in this dependencies tag. Okay, so suppose now we want to add any MySQL dependency, so just we need to go, I am showing you how you can add a dependency here. Okay, so you have to just go to the browser, type here MySQL MVN repo simply. Okay, you can see MySQL connector Java, it will redirect to MVN repository, and there are different versions are there. Okay, so any popular version you can select and you can add. So this is just for 50. Okay, just click on this version and you can copy this from here. Okay, Control C, just go to our project and you can add here this project. Okay, so I have added now this MySQL dependency. Okay, building workspace. Every time when you add a dependency or remove a dependency, it will rebuild our application. Okay, so in this way you can add any number of dependency to our project. So I am going to show you. So this application is working fine or not. So I'm just getting a full controller, or I can give any statement here also. This main file that will also execute. I will come to Maven project. Okay, so just run the project. So it is running the project. Just wait for some time. Okay, so you can see here our output is coming. Welcome to Maven project, which we have given in our main class, and our application has also started on port Tomcat started on port 80. So if you want to test on the browser, then just go to browser and type here localhost :8080, enter. Okay, so white label error persisting because we have not configured our controller. So I am quickly configuring a controller here, just creating a package. Controller, and inside that package I am going to create a class suppose home controller. Okay, so I am annotating with the @rest controller. Okay, rest controller means the difference between controller and rest controller is controller returns a view. It's searching for a view. Since here we have not created any view, so I have mentioned rest control. Rest control simply return the data. It will not searching for any view or any page. Okay, so I am going to create a handler public string home. Okay, so return welcome to Singu Maven project. Okay, so I need to give the handler or a mapping URL. So get mapping. So I am giving this class only, that is default. So if we will try to access this URL by localhost 8080/, then this thing will execute. Okay, so just save the file and relearn. Okay, welcome to Maven project, and just refresh here, enter. Okay, so you can see here, welcome to Spring Boot Maven project. Okay, so we got the output. Otherwise, if you want to use the controller here, then you can do one thing, write the controller, and you need to import this controller, and you need to return a view from this layer. Suppose view name is welcome, so in this name you need to create a file in your template. So in template, create a page, create a file welcome.html. So all these static resources, all these HTML file inside this template folder only. Okay, so HTML, head, title is welcome page. Okay, so and write our body, inside body create a S2 tag and mention welcome to Spring Boot project with Maven build. Okay. So save the project and just rerun it. So now since we are mentioning here the controller, now it is searching for a view in the name of welcome. If we will mention at the rest controller, then welcome directly print in the, it is as a data in the browser. But since we are mentioning the controller, it is searching for a view. So just save and rerun the program. Okay, just go to browser and refresh. So you can see this is show error because on dependency, I think on dependency we need to add, that is, what is the error? That is white label page not found. Okay, 40 page not found. That means it will unable to reserve this welcome.html. Welcome.html. Okay, so just add a dependency. Just go to our project, the initializer, search for dependency family. So, and you can see here the timely dependency. Okay, just copy that dependency and add in our pom.html file. Now again rerun the program. Okay, so now it is reserved and welcome to Spring Boot project with Maven build tool. So this is a welcome page. You can see title page is a welcome page. You can see here. So it requires to find that welcome to HTML file. So we need to add that timely dependency also. So if we will mention here at the rest controller, what happened? It will simply print that welcome directly to this browser. Just save it and then rerun the program. Just wait, it will relaunching our application. Let's go to browser and refresh it. So you can see welcome. So this is the difference between controller and rest controller. In controller, it will find that view, that page name. So in rest controller, it will directly print this welcome. It treated as that welcome is a data, only data. It is not a view name. And in case of controller, it will print as a it will treat it as it is a page. So it will go in template section and it will searching is there any page present in the name of welcome, and that page data will be rendered, and page data or information will be stored to the user. Okay, so this is the difference between controller and rest controller. So just run it. Again refresh it. So you can see here now that page is loaded. Welcome page. The welcome page is our family page. Okay, so we have given the title as welcome page. So it is showing here the welcome page. And if suppose we are using working with the controller, and in a particular case we want to return the data. Suppose another URL we have created. Since it is controller, so controller it is searching for view, but another URL, suppose another URL created /home data /data. So data so here welcome the name, suppose save data. So in this case, since our class is a controller, it will always searching for a view. So here welcome view is already present in our template folder, so it will rendering that page. But here in this case there is no such page is present in our folder, and we explicitly want to send this message only. No need to, we don't want to send the page, or there is no page available, so we want to view the message directly. In this case we can do one thing. So if we mention this controller rest control, it will work, but in this case this handler will not work. So to overcome this situation, we can do one thing. We can mention in this handler as a @response body. Okay, so what it does, so now this handle and this will work same as the controller. It welcome page it will search, and in this case it will not searching for pages, it will send this message directly as it is. So I am just running and show you the result. Okay, started. So now just refresh it. You can see we got our page, welcome to Spring Boot project with Maven build tool. And if we'll go through this step, save, then what it does, sorry, data our URL is /data. Okay, /data. So sorry, I see data. Okay, so now you can see data sending success. So it will directly print that message to the browser. It will not searching any pages for that. Okay, So this is all about the Maven, and we have demonstrated a simple project with Maven and how to create a REST API and how to what is the difference between controller and REST controller. Okay. So thank you guys, and if you have got some knowledge from this video, so to motivate me, please like, share the video and subscribe the channel. Okay. So thank you.